may be excited about AI, unsure about it, or avoiding it altogether, but cybercriminals are not waiting. They're already using AI to make scams more believable, which means a basic understanding of AI is now an important part of cybersecurity awareness. One way cybercriminals can use AI is to learn more about their targets before they ever send a phishing email, scam text, or fake message. Think about how much information is publicly available online. Your job title, company, education, and your coworkers, or posts about a recent conference, vacation, or a company announcement. Even small details can become useful pieces of a scam. AI can help cybercriminals collect and organize that information fast. Instead of spending hours researching one person or company through Google, they can use AI tools to quickly summarize public details, instantly identify patterns in those details, and automatically create messages that sound more personal. Think I'm over-exaggerating? Let's see it in action. Using an AI chatbot, I'm going to ask what it can find out about this person. Let's call them Taylor. Don't worry, we got Taylor's permission to try this, and we've blurred out any sensitive information. With one prompt, the chatbot helps surface Taylor's professional role, some educational details, their NPI, which is an identification number assigned to healthcare providers, their state license to practice optometry, and more. Now, this is all publicly available information. Anyone can do a basic internet search for this, but that takes time. AI allows cybercriminals to source these details quicker than ever before with very little effort on their part. Then, using AI, they can craft a message that references some of these extremely personal talking points. This makes phishing messages appear much more legitimate. But what's most scary is that the crafting of these highly targeted spear phishing attempts can go from research to execution in seconds. Spear phishing is a targeted phishing attack designed for a specific person, role, or organization. And with AI, these messages are not only personalized, they can be polished and professional with minimal effort or know-how on the cybercriminal's part. In the past, phishing emails were often easier to spot because they had strange wording, obvious spelling mistakes, poor grammar, or awkward formatting. But AI-generated phishing may not look sloppy. It may mention your role, your workplace, a real vendor, or a familiar process. But familiarity does not equal safety. So, how can we protect ourselves? First, think before you post. Avoid sharing details that could help someone impersonate you, target you, or create a believable scam. Be careful with photos that show badges, screens, documents, workspaces, or company information. Second, use the SLAM method. Check the sender, links, attachments, and message. In our example, a message might include real details about the target, but the sender address could still be strange. The link could lead somewhere suspicious, or the attachment could be unexpected. Always look at the full picture. Third, slow down when a request feels urgent, unusual, or sensitive. Before you click reply, send money, share information, approve an MFA request, or provide access, verify the request through a trusted channel. AI may help cybercriminals move faster, but your best defense is still simple. Protect what you share, question unexpected requests, and report anything suspicious.